Hey friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly summarize an email in Gmail using Gemini. So once you're inside your Gmail account, guys, in order to quickly summarize an email, you want to basically find that email that you want. And here, once you look in any one of the emails, you will find just below the title of the email, there's gonna be Gemini. Now, depending if you're using this view or not, you'll be able to find it here. So I'm gonna quickly show you how that works. So this is my current view that I'm using, but you may be using a different view than myself. So I guess that most likely you're probably using the view that does not contain any reading pane. Let me go ahead and find that section here. So maybe your email is looking something like this, and you have to just go ahead and, let's say, open up an email. So let's say you open up an email like this, and here you'll find, if you have the Gemini enabled and you're using the paid subscription here from Gemini, then you'll have your email looking like that with Gemini on the upper left hand side underneath the title, and you have the upper right hand side Ask Gemini. So let's say I want to quickly, ask Gemini to summarize an email. I'm going to just quickly pick something. So let's say I take this one here regarding the Trello. I can simply click on summarize this email, and it's going to quickly pop up here and do a quick summary of the email. And as you can see, that's quick and easier, and I can copy this and I can do whatever. It's really cool, guys, because you can even ask it to summarize the email. You can even ask Gemini to even reply to the email. Whatever you want, guys, you can use the power of Gemini to do that. But that's how to quickly summarize an email with Gemini in Gmail.